If you're getting involved with working online and you plan to be building more than one website, you will probably want to use WordPress as it is one of the easiest ways to go. And when you get into buying themes for the sites, often how I started doing it was I would buy the appropriate theme for the website that I was creating. So I would find, for example, if I'm building an agency website, I would find an agency theme. If I was building a real estate website, I would find a real estate theme. My thinking has changed a little bit in this, and essentially the way that I would do it starting over now is to buy one theme that is very capable and optimize that theme and learn how to use that theme really well. Because whenever you're using different themes all the time, they all have their different quirks. And so if you just used one theme, I think it would simplify things. For example, this is one I'm testing it out with the X theme, just because this is a top selling theme. They're updating it consistently. And that is a large reason of why I chose this theme. That is what I'm testing out right now, is just trying to use one theme. You could choose a different one of the top selling themes. I would recommend you only choose a top selling theme because it is updated consistently, and that makes it a lot easier to stay with current trends, whatever is happening. And another reason that I chose the X theme is, let's just have a look at their demo version here. It gives you 4 different types of themes essentially. So rather than buying one theme, you're kind of getting 4 different ones: integrity, renew, icon, and ethos. The one that I'm using right now is integrity. I find that that one looks the best. Another thing that this does well is it integrates with a lot of different plugins well. For example, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin that allows you to sell on your website, and they do a lot of the heavy lifting essentially. And this one comes with a built-in store. Another thing I like about the X theme is that it comes with something called Cornerstone, which is an editor. It's essentially what they call a what you see is what you get editor. And if you're getting started working online, it's a very easy editor because you can essentially edit on the page, and change it live rather than having to learn how to code and how to make all the adjustments in the code. So it's quick and it's easy. That's another benefit. Another thing it gives you is expanded demos. These are demos for certain types of businesses. So this one's a church, this one's an agency. Let's look at them both here. So they will provide you the demo for this content. So you could easily build this church website using this content. And so this is the church one. And you can see it looks pretty good. It's well designed. Now, if we look over here at the agency, the same situation. It looks good. It's well designed. And you can see that it's all laid out for an agency. So you can click on case studies and it will give you the different case studies. Now, you can see that this is just one theme that you've purchased, but it has 4 different types of themes. Number one, getting started. 4 different, they call them stacks. And then it has customized themes, essentially themes for different types of businesses. Here's a restaurant. And so you can see that this is a better looking website than a lot of websites out there for restaurants. So it makes it easy to do that, and education, weddings, food truck. So that all comes with it. Another thing that you get with the system is you get extensions. So extensions are essentially plugins, and they are free with your purchase. If you were to purchase them separately, they would cost money. So ConvertPlug comes with this one. Now let's just see what ConvertPlug would cost. ConvertPlug, this is the convertplug.com website. If you click on buy ConvertPlug, it takes you over here and you can see it's $21. So it's $21 that you're getting for free just by buying this theme, which I think is $61, $69, somewhere around there. That is just one of the plugins that you're getting. Their Uber menu costs money. Some of these won't cost money, some of them will. Like Discus comments is not going to cost money. So you are getting these free add-ons just by buying a good theme, and that is one of the values of getting it. So you can see why I would choose to just work with one theme rather than buying a whole bunch of themes. I have just got it started using Xtheme. So far it seems pretty good to me, but I haven't tested it out extensively yet. I've only been using it for about a month or so, so it is a little bit early for me to give a recommendation one way or the other. So far I like it, and there's no reason why I would switch to another theme at this point. However, I do need to get a developer to make some edits to the theme for me. Again, these will be way cheaper than it would be if I was starting from scratch to get it to look how I want. The other benefit is, like I said earlier at the first of this video, is if you use one theme, then you can learn the ins and outs of it and what you want from the theme, how you want it edited. So that is one of the things that I'm working on right now. If I get a developer to do it and they fix it the way that I like, then I can always copy the changes over to any new site that I build as well. And I don't have to rehire the developer. I just copied the changes that were originally made. So again, this is Xtheme. I recommend, trying this out. If you're planning to do a lot of websites, save yourself time. Just choose one theme that you can get really good at and you can work at really quickly, so you don't have to spend as much time figuring out how each theme is set up, because they do set them all up differently. And then that will make life a little bit easier for you each time you do a new website.